It's time for an abs, core, and midsection fitness tip from exercise physiologist Joey Atlas. I've got something really good for you today. There's not a week that goes by that somebody doesn't stop me, whether it's in person or at the beach or if I'm passing through the studio here or online all the time, inboxing, messages, emails. What do I do for this? What do I do for the midsection? So you see, I sort of know what I'm talking about, but what I'm going to show you is probably very, very different than what you see all the other influencers and online trainers showing you. Give you some context. What I'm going to show you is doable whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, or you're just purely starting out and you want to start tightening this up, reducing the size, strengthening this all from front to back, top to bottom. I'm in the Sculpt to Fit studio. My coaching team is done with their morning sessions. All personal training sessions are done as well. Now there's a little bit of break time in here until the next personal training sessions start, and in the evening small group fitness classes start. So I came in here, I actually literally just finished my abs and core and midsection workout, and I figured I'm going to answer this question. I'm going to turn on the Candid Cam and give you at least 4 moves that you could start doing literally today with just some floor space and hopefully a mat, and that's all you're going to need. You're not going to need any accessories, you're not going to need the Sculpt to Fit home gym system, nothing like that. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my hybrid mat, and I'm going to put my hybrid mat down here. I call it a hybrid mat because it's a combination of a bench and a mat, but you will use a regular mat or a thick towel or a thick comforter that looks something like this. You'll use a regular mat, okay? This, again, I created this so that it's a cross between a flimsy mat and a typical bench, but I also made it so that it has some lift in here for us to grab onto it for the various types of exercises and training that we do in our own unique way. But you don't need the hybrid mat. All you need is some floor space, a thick towel, a comforter, or a regular fitness mat or yoga mat. What you will do, though, is you're going to place your mat by the couch or a really sturdy chair or some kind of piece of furniture that is not going to move, and you know it's not going to move. It can even be near a staircase where you have the railing under here. So the first move we're going to do for the abs, the core, the midsection is you're going to hang on to whatever it is you're near. Hopefully it's a really sturdy couch. I'm going to hang on to the edges of my hybrid mat. And we're just going to bring our knees up. Now, if you have a little bit of stomach in the way, you're going to point your knees outward for this. If your stomach is, not that large and there's just a little bit of pooch hanging down, a little bit of beer belly, you can keep the knees a little closer together. But if you have something in the way, spread the knees out a little bit, and you're just coming up slowly. Knees to the chest, glutes touching the floor. Knees to chest, glutes touching floor. So I'm just going to give you 4 reps on each move so that you get the gist of this circuit. Then you can repeat it as many times as you want. So if you feel the first time through is easy, I would suggest going through it a second, maybe a third time, depending on how you're feeling. You're going to start feeling some really good muscle use in here through the abs, the midsection, the love handles, the core, the back, and all the way through. So that's your first move. It's a simple reverse crunch. Notice the slow tempo. You do not move fast. No fast movements. Slow, controlled tempo makes all the deep muscles do the work they're supposed to be doing so that you get the changes that you want in this area. Now, of course, there's a little bit of nutrition involved and some other stuff, but we can talk about that on another video. Next move is here. This knee up, right here tucked in, this leg here. We're hanging on, again, to our couch or our support behind us, lowering that leg, bringing it up as we breathe out, lowering it slowly, keeping the abs and core contracted, contracting from the midsection to get this back up. As you're watching, let me know if there are other body parts that you want to see me demonstrate for home training or office training, or even at the gym. If you're going to the gym, you could do these there as well, but these are great for at home, great for the office. Okay, so that's left leg. Now we go other side. Right knee is up. Keep this pulled in tight. Contracting on this side to bring up. Control coming down. Going down is just as important as coming up. Contract. And then coming up. Contract. Okay, that's 4. That was 4 on each side. Your next move is what I call it's a modified reverse plank. So the way you want to do this is heels are on the ground, knees are slightly bent, hands are on the ground. All you're doing is pushing your heels into the ground to lift your back and your glutes up. So you get them off the ground, pause, feel the contraction all the way through the back. Keep your abs somewhat engaged, not trying to tighten them too hard, but just a little bit. Just be mindful of your abs staying contracted, but not too much. Really want to focus on pushing upward, feeling everything along the back side, into the middle core, even the upper core, and back side. Everything through here is working together. So I'm trying to talk as I do these, so what I'm saying may not be perfectly clear, so please bear with me. Breathe out, coming up. Push those heels into the ground. Get the glutes and the low back up high. You're going to feel this. You're going to feel the areas underneath those love handle areas, the back fat that hangs over here. You're going to feel those muscles working. And that's what's going to be part of what helps your body change, to get stronger, to get more toned, more fit, more firm. And it's going to help start burning that layer of fat and flab off of the surface. I'm going to give you one more for good measure. Okay, we're going to give that a short rest. So that's 3 moves so far. Now notice, my neck has been able to rest the whole time. If you have some neck issues, these exercises are perfect for anybody with neck issues. And they're crazy, crazy effective. So if you're a beginner, start with the number of reps I showed you. Now remember, I've got one more move to show you. If you're intermediate, you can go up in the repetitions, and you can also go up in the number of times you go through the circuit. Instead of going just once, go 2, 3, or 4 times. Okay, from here, we have the knees up, hands are on the ground. I'm going to hold the edge here, or I'll put them on the ground. Show you what you could be doing at home. You're going to come out, back in, out, slowly, heel touches, contract. Other leg goes out, control, touch the heel lightly, contract. All from the deep core. This stays up tight. We don't just want to leave it loose. We want to keep this up tight. We want the abs contracted to keep this up here. As you're watching this and taking notes, think of somebody who should see this. Who else needs this kind of help? Tag them below, and also let me know what other body zones you want me to do videos for. If it's your thighs, your glutes, your arms, your chest, your back, whatever. Let me know below in the comments section, and share or tag with another person who needs to see this, who's looking for really good, unique fitness information that all the gurus and influencers aren't sharing. They're doing all that crazy, hardcore, high-intensity, fast-paced stuff that hurts people and punishes people and tortures people. And you don't need to do that. You could go easy and gentle just like I do, just like we do here in the studio, just like we do with our clients, and get awesome, crazy awesome results. Woo! I'm feeling that. Woo! Man, what a burn. The whole core is feeling incredible. So that's a perfect example of a mini session you could do to start targeting the core, get these muscles ignited, engaged, and get those fibers toning up, strengthening, and doing what they're supposed to be doing, so that you start to shrink, tighten, firm, and tone in the whole midsection area. If you want some nutritional tips, supplement tips, anything else that would help further your journey in the easiest possible way, not some dysfunctional, crazy, psycho way, because that stuff doesn't last long. We can't sustain it. If you're cool with a gentle, wise, sane approach, post below, let me know. Like my page, like the video, share it. Let's get this out there, and then let me know what else you want to see. So when I make the next video, I'm creating what you want, what you need, and what's going to help you. And you can do this all at home. Whether you have the Sculpt to Fit system or just some floor space and some accessories, you can do it all at home. That's it for now. As always, it's Joey Atlas. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you being here. Let me know what else you want, because I'm here to help you.